Hello everybody, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Long time since we have spoke. It honestly feels like forever, even though I really don't think it has been too long. My last video was my bikini haul, and then the one before that was my vlog, so I feel like I actually haven't had time to sit down and talk to you guys for a long time. That is what today's video is going to be. I'm just going to be getting ready for the day, doing my makeup, chatting with you guys, catching up, giving you some life updates. A lot has been going on, so I definitely want to talk to you guys about a couple things. Really quickly, before I jump into today's video, I want to go ahead and thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Gviewin. So Gviewin are a super cool, super trendy phone case, and they also do AirPod cases, and they have some great designs while also protecting your phone case and your AirPods at the same time. Kind enough to send me 4 different cases, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys each of them. This is the first one that I got. It is just white marble with a bit of gold and brown, just like your very standard traditional marble that you would have. It is a silicone case, but this part is very protective. You know that this is definitely going to protect your phone from any falls, anything like that. And if you're like me, you're always dropping your phone. Phone case also comes with this little strap to prevent you from dropping the case, which I think is extremely helpful. Next one that they sent me is this other marble one, and this one is just gray and it has gold through. It is very similar, but just a different marble style. I personally love marble cases, so whenever I can get my hands on them, I definitely do. And these are so great at such an affordable price. The next one that I got, I love for summer. It just looks like this. It is this blue marble. It has some gold, some white, different shades of blue going on. I think this is so nice. And obviously my phone is silver, so this is gonna look so good on it and really just throw a pop of color in there. This has to be my favorite one. And then the fourth case I actually got from my mom. She has a iPhone 7 Plus, so a little bit older, and this is what this style looks for. Even if you don't have one of the brand new phones, Gviewin will have a case for you that fits your phone. So this is one that I got her. It's just clear and then has some flowers. Definitely her style. There really is something for everyone on this website, so definitely go check them out. If you guys want to go ahead and get yourself a really cute, fun case for your phone, you can go ahead and shop on Gviewin, but you can also use my code Amy15 to get 15% off of your purchase, which is really good. I also just want to show the little note that they throw in, and it says, "Thank you for making our startup possible." And they just go through and just say thank you so much, and we're a small company in the big world of Amazon retailers. We appreciate your business immensely. And I think this is so important, and I think COVID has really shown us how important it is to support our small businesses and just support businesses that are working really hard and creating great quality things. So like I said, Gviewin, go check them out. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video. Again, you can use my code Amy15 to go check it out, but let's get back to the video. Also, if I keep looking down, it's because I put my mirror here so I can see what I'm doing on my face. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I've been using this concealer for years. It's so amazing, and it's really affordable. And this is in the color 15 Light. And to blend it in, I always used to use a beauty blender. I never understood people that use brushes, but for the past couple months I've been using this little brush that I got. It is the Sephora VIB Rouge Pro Mini Flawless Airbrush brush. I don't know, it works really well. Basically, the last vlog that you guys saw from me was a college day in my life, and I think that was either the week before my finals or the week of. I'm honestly not too sure, it was so long ago. But obviously it is now June, and I have wrapped up that semester of classes. I was actually really proud of myself. I finished with my highest GPA yet of university. I finished with all A's, and I actually got onto Dean's List for the academic year, which again I'm super proud of. Just because you guys haven't been watching my channel for a while, probably wouldn't have known that I actually transferred universities. I used to go to Wilfrid Laurier University, which is in Waterloo, and now I go to Ryerson, which is in Toronto. And obviously since I've transferred, everything has just been online, but it's really good, and I really like what I'm learning. I think it's really relevant to what I want to go into, and yeah, I'm obviously really enjoying it and doing well. So that is all good on the school side. I'm also doing a summer course. Just because I did transfer, I kind of lost a couple credits along the way, and then when I left Laurier, I basically took a semester off before starting Ryerson in September. So I'm like kind of a semester behind, but because of the transfer credits, I'm basically a year behind. So I will now be graduating a year later. So instead of the class of 2022, I will be the class of 2023. I used to be the kind of person that kind of just wanted like everything to go to plan and was like, okay, well, I'm going to graduate at this age and get a job at this age and get engaged at this age and get married at this. And now I'm just kind of like, what's the rush? Like, there really is no rush. Like, if I have to spend another year in school, like, it is really not the end of the world. So just know if something happens to throw you off course, it's probably where you're meant to be. Like, that's the way I just look at things, and I think like everything genuinely happens for a reason, and for some reason I'm supposed to graduate a year later, and I'm okay with that. I'm at peace with it, and that is all that matters. With that, I'm also taking a summer course, basically just so I like am at a good point with my credits. So I'm just doing like a little marketing course for the summer. I actually have my midterm for the course in less than an hour, which is why I'm getting ready now. But yeah, so that's just a spring course, they call it at my school. So that started literally less than a week after my finals finished. So it was a really quick turnaround, and this class goes until the end of July. So I have like a month and a half left of it, and then I'll have the whole month of August basically free from school. But I do also have my internship. Oh, also, I'm just brushing out my eyebrows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Chocolate. Again, I've had this for years, but I've never like repurchased it. All I do is use the little brush to brush out my eyebrows, get out any makeup, and just kind of like structure them. And then when I go in is I go in with the Tartelette in Bloom by Tarte palette and this little like straight brush, I don't really know what you would call it, and I go in with the shade Jet Setter and basically fill in my brows using this. For watching my college vlogs, you would have saw that back in January I got a internship, and that started the end of January, and it was a marketing internship at a startup based out of California, and it's really, really cool. I've been learning a lot, and I just really wanted to get some experience on my resume. And basically that internship was supposed to end at the end of May, like that's when my original contract was up, but it was just mutually extended until the end of August. So for now, I will also have my internship until the end of August. And like I said, it's a marketing internship, so I run the Instagram, I run the TikTok, starting to do a little dip dive into Pinterest. We do event marketing, analytics, just really cool, and it's like a good look into what I want to be doing in the future, what I do like, what I don't like. I think internships are great. If you have an opportunity to get an internship, I would definitely recommend it. I think it's way more beneficial to figure out and get the opportunity to realize what you don't want to do and what you like doing before you sign a contract to a company or a job, and then you feel stuck because you're getting a salary. I just feel like it's good to figure it out prior, and it's also a really great opportunity to get some experience on your resume, which looks good to employers. So yeah, definitely get an internship. Oh, I totally forgot to walk you guys through what I was doing. So I'm just using the Hoola Benefit bronzer, and I just take this little like crease blending brush and just put a bit of this bronzer in my crease. This is basically just what I do in the summer because it's like a super light natural makeup look. This is my brush, and I'm just gonna take the bronzer again, and this is my brush. It used to be a full-size brush, but the actual like handle of the brush fell off, so we're just using this, and I'm just gonna go in here, tap it off a bit, and basically I just kind of use this like all over my face. I do have self-tanner on as well right now, which gives me a bit more color. Always did this last summer, and again, I just like it better than wearing like a really heavy foundation. Okay, so next I'm going to be going in with this Bobbi Brown highlighter, which is in Pink Glow. And then this brush is the brush that comes with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I used to have the Glow Kit like years ago, and this brush came with it. And it's the only highlighter brush I've ever used, so I'm gonna keep using it. So for highlighter, I just put it on my nose here, just like so. And right here, where like the sun would naturally hit your cheekbones. And then I also just put it under my brow, like right on my brow bone, and my cupid's bow, just to give it like a really bronzy, sun-kissed, glowy look. That's what we like to go for. So yeah, that is basically like the main updates. Also, if you guys didn't know, I'm from Canada. I live in Ontario, and we are still in lockdown. Supposed to go into step 1 of our like reopening phase June 14th, so fingers crossed that actually happens. I work at a restaurant and I'm a server and I haven't been able to work, so hopefully we reopen so I can start working again. I also recently took over the social media for the restaurant that I work at, so I manage and run the Instagram for that as well. So really I have been pretty busy, which is good, thankfully, because this lockdown I really don't know what else I would have done with myself. I am a person that thrives off of being busy and having a lot on their plate, because I just feel like I'm way more productive as I just literally lay in my bed and don't achieve anything. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes. But I know with YouTube I have been super inconsistent, and I'm not trying to make any excuses at all. It's literally, I just need to prioritize it, and I definitely want to. If you guys have any videos like you want to see from me, I'll probably just stick to vlogs because that's what you guys seem to like the most. I know you guys love my college vlogs. Obviously, it's like I could film like a day in my life when I'm working on school, but it's summer. Hopefully when the lockdown ends, I will have like fun things to show in my vlogs. But yeah, I'm working on it. I also have like a couple really exciting collabs lined up. I'm like dream collabs, you guys. So I'm like beyond excited. So stay tuned. I'm going in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara. As you guys can see, I use like a pretty even mix of like drugstore and like higher end products. I honestly used to like only buy from Sephora, and then I realized you can literally get the same thing at Shoppers for like so much cheaper. So I'm the kind of person, like when I find something that works, I just stick to it. Like for example, the bronzer I just showed you guys, like I've probably had that for like 3 or 4 years. I really want to try the Milk Makeup one, the stick, but I've never tried like a cream contour before. Now that I run like obviously my own social media accounts, and then my one for my internship and the one for the restaurant I work at, I have really found that I like running social media accounts. I really like the strategy behind it, and I don't know, just everything involved with running an Instagram account. I really like curating content, just all that stuff. I really enjoy it. The one thing that I have learned though, if you're like looking to get into social media like professionally, I have realized through both experiences that it's definitely not a 9-to-5 job. It is not like a turn on your computer at 9 and turn it off at 5 and work Monday to Friday. Like it's just not gonna work out like that, because you kind of always need to be posting, you always need to be engaging, there's always going to be someone DMing or asking a question, or I don't know. That's just one thing I've learned. And I've actually seen a lot of TikToks recently of people who do like social media management as a full-time job, and they say that it can sometimes get exhausting because it's a lot, and I definitely understand like what that means, where they're coming from. Okay, so I just finished my mascara off camera just because it was easier, and then I'm gonna go in with the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Lip Therapy. This is basically just like the everyday chapstick I use. It's getting kind of empty. And then when I'm actually doing my makeup, I will use this. You guys know this is like my all-time favorite lip gloss, literally ever. It is the Buxom Full-On Plumping Lip Cream, and this is in White Russian. If you are looking for lip gloss, this is what I recommend. I think I've gone through like 3 or 4 of these. Like, I literally love them. That is my finished makeup look, and I really hope that you guys did enjoy this video. It was just basically us catching up and letting you guys know what I've been up to, giving you a little update, and I promise I will try my best to be consistent moving forward, and you guys can definitely expect a lot more videos coming your way. Again, thank you so much to Gviewin for sponsoring today's video. Again, don't forget to go check them out. Everything will be linked down below, as well as my coupon code, which you guys can use. Don't forget, Amy15 for 15% off of your purchase. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon with a brand new video. Bye guys!